Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking and listening club. I hope you are doing well today. In this video, we are going to talk about a very important and eye-opening topic, 25 dark manipulations everyone should know. In life, we interact with countless people in school, college, workplaces, social media, or even in personal relationships. Sometimes people use manipulative tactics to influence our decisions, emotions, or actions. Being aware of these manipulations can help you protect yourself and respond intelligently. Today, we will discuss 25 common manipulations, how they work, and how you can guard yourself against them. Manipulation is not always obvious. It can be subtle, psychological, and sometimes even disguised as kindness or advice. Some manipulations are emotional, some are mental, and some are social. Understanding them is not about becoming suspicious of everyone, but about gaining awareness so you can make better decisions and protect your mental health. Part 1. Emotional manipulations. Guilt tripping, making you feel guilty for not doing something. For example, someone might say, "After everything I did for you, you can't help me now." Recognize it and respond logically instead of emotionally. Playing the victim, a manipulator pretends to be the victim to make you feel responsible or sympathetic. Example: "No one cares about me. Only you understand me. Always verify facts before reacting." Love bombing, showering someone with excessive affection to gain control or compliance. This is common in toxic relationships. Maintain emotional boundaries. Silent treatment, ignoring or withdrawing to punish or control you. Don't give in to their power. Communicate calmly. Gaslighting, making you doubt your reality or memory. For instance, "That never happened. You're imagining things." Trust your instincts and keep evidence if needed. Part 2. Mental manipulations, fear tactics, using fear to control your decisions. Example: "If you don't do this, you'll fail or lose everything." Analyze risks realistically instead of panicking. Overloading with information, bombarding you with too much information to confuse or manipulate. Take a step back, organize facts, and make clear decisions. Reframing reality, changing the way events are presented to manipulate perception. Example: "You didn't help me because you didn't care, even when it's not true." Question the framing and evaluate objectively. False scarcity, making you believe something is rare or limited to force a decision. Common in marketing or sales tactics. Take your time and research. Blame shifting, shifting responsibility onto you for their mistakes. Example: "This happened because you didn't listen to me." Recognize your responsibility accurately. Part 3. Social manipulations, peer pressure, pushing you to act against your values to fit in. Stand firm in your principles and assess consequences. Exclusion or isolation, making you feel left out to control behavior. Stay confident and remember your value isn't defined by a group. Public shaming, criticizing or embarrassing you in front of others to control or intimidate. Respond calmly and privately if possible. Triangulation, bringing a third person into a conflict to manipulate relationships. Identify the tactic and maintain independent judgment. Social comparison, making you feel inadequate by comparing your achievements to others. Focus on personal growth instead of competition. Part 4. Communication manipulations. Word twisting, changing the meaning of your words to misinterpret or manipulate. Speak clearly and clarify your statements. Interrupting or talking over, dominating conversations to control the narrative. Stay calm and assert your right to speak. Excessive flattery, complimenting you to influence your decisions. Appreciate but evaluate objectively. False promises, making commitments they don't intend to keep to manipulate you. Look for actions, not words. Selective memory, forgetting facts that don't support their agenda. Keep records and refer to facts. Part 5. Psychological manipulations, mirroring, copying your behaviors or words to build trust and control subtly. Be aware and maintain your boundaries. Projection, accusing you of their own mistakes or intentions. Analyze objectively before taking blame. Triangulated approval, using approval from others to pressure you into agreeing. Example: everyone else thinks this way, why don't you? Make independent decisions. Emotional blackmail, threatening negative consequences for emotional compliance. Example: if you leave, I'll never forgive you. Identify it and respond calmly. Intimidation, using power, position, or aggression to control. Stay confident and don't react impulsively. Part 6. How to protect yourself. Being aware of manipulations is the first step. Here are some practical tips. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, pause and analyze. Set boundaries clearly. Communicate what is acceptable. Seek evidence. Verify facts before reacting. Emotionally, stay calm. Don't let manipulators control your emotions. Learn assertive communication. Speak clearly, say no politely, and maintain confidence. Educate yourself. Knowledge about manipulative tactics strengthens your defense. Part 7. Real-life examples. Let me share a few examples. Workplace manipulation. A colleague constantly blames you for team failures while taking credit for successes. Recognizing the pattern helps you document contributions and communicate professionally. Relationship manipulation. A partner constantly uses guilt to get their way. Setting emotional boundaries and discussing feelings openly prevents control. Social media manipulation. Influencers or marketers use fear, scarcity, or peer pressure to make you buy or act. Being critical and verifying information is essential. Understanding these tactics can protect you not just emotionally, but also mentally and socially. Part 8. Psychological insight. Psychologists explain that manipulative people often exploit human emotions like fear, guilt, desire for approval, and trust. They rely on predictable human behaviors and cognitive biases. Once you recognize these patterns, you can make rational decisions and avoid being controlled. Part 9. Importance of awareness. Counting about dark manipulations is not about becoming cynical. It's about empowerment. Awareness allows you to protect your mental health, make independent decisions, avoid toxic relationships, respond calmly instead of reacting impulsively, build self-confidence. Part 10. Conclusion. So, friends, these are the 25 dark manipulations everyone should know. Life is full of interactions, and some people may try to influence or control you through subtle psychological tactics. Being aware, staying calm, and thinking critically are the best defenses. Always value yourself, trust your instincts, and make decisions based on logic and personal values. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more informative, motivational, and educational content. Stay aware, stay smart, and protect your mind from manipulative tactics.